So one more subdivision question. Next one. So 3 plus 3 marks. Okay. First one, obtain the Maclaurin series for e power x. It's a very simple one. As I already told you, let us take f of x equals to e power x and know the series f of x is equals to f of 0 plus x by 1 factorial, f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial, f double dash of 0 and so on. This is the Maclaurin series. Now let us find out what is f of x is given, which is equals to e power x. Then we can say f of 0 is equal to 0. Sorry, e power 0 which is equals to 1. Next let us find out f dash of x which is equals to e power x. F dash of 0 is equals to 1. F double dash of x, because e power x differentiation is always e power x, f double dash of 0 is equals to 1. F triple dash of x is equals to e power x, which is equals to f triple dash of 0 is equals to 1. Now you apply these values in your series. Your f of x, that is e of x, is equals to f of 0 is 1 plus x by 1 factorial, f dash of 0 is also 1 plus x square by 2 factorial 1, x cube by 3 factorial 1 and so on. Therefore I can say e power x is equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial and so on. This is all about the Maclaurin series. It's very simple, right? Next we will pass on to the second subdivision question. What is the second subdivision question? Find the critical numbers of x power 3 by 5, 4 minus x. Now let us consider this function as f of x. So the critical numbers is nothing but you are finding the turning points or stationary points. Otherwise we can say that is the stationary points. Because if you put f dash of x equal to 0, we will get the values x. That values are called as turning points or critical points. So that is called critical values. That is the thing I am going to find here. Let us take f of x is equals to x power 3 by 5 into 4 minus x. So therefore we will get f of x is equals to 4x power 3 by 5 minus x power 8 by 5. Okay. Now I can say f dash of x differentiation, which is equals to 4 into 3 by 5 x power 3 by 5 minus 1, which is equals to 5. Therefore 3 by 5 minus 1, which is equals to 3 minus 5, which is equals to minus 2 by 5. And similarly, if we take x power minus 8 by 5, we will get 8 by 5 into x power 8 by 5 minus 1, which is equals to plus 3 by 5. Because 8 minus 5 divided by 5, which is equals to 3 by 5. Now we will take some of the common terms here. Therefore we will have 8, that is 4 by 5, we will take 4 by 5 common. We can take 4 by 5 common outside. Therefore 4 by 5 x power minus 2 by 5 will take common outside. 4 by 5 x power minus 2 by 5 will take common outside. Therefore we have 3x, 3, we will have simply 3 here, minus 2x. 3 minus 2x, because we have taken x power minus 2 by 5 common. If we take an x power minus 2 by 5 common, we have only 3. Since we have taken 4 by 5 common, 2, x power minus 2 by 5 common, we will have remaining only x. Because we can say x minus 2 by 5 is equals to x power 3 by 5. Now, if for to find the critical points, you have to put f dash of x is equals to 0. From this I can say, your first part I can say 3 minus 2x equals to 0. Simply we can say 3 minus 2x equal to 0. From this I can say 2x equal to 3 or x equals to 3 by 2. Similarly, f dash of x does not exist if x is equals to 0. Therefore I can say the critical values are, one is 0, the another one is called 3 by 2. So this is said to be the critical values. We will be getting 3 marks. Simply you are finding the x values. That is said to be the critical points or critical values. Okay. So differentiating it and getting the values of x is said to be the critical values. Next we will pass on to the next problem.